High five!
In this video, we are going to learn an easiest mnemonical way to remember the causes of mononeuritis multiplex. So first of all, let's know what is mononeuritis multiplex. It is a painful, asymmetrical, asynchronous, sensory and motor peripheral neuropathy. It involves isolated damage of two or more distinct nerve areas, and the condition mononeuritis multiplex is also called as mononeuropathy multiplex. And here these are the causes of mononeuritis multiplex. Sarcoid carcinoma. This is actually a type of cancer which looks like a mixture of sarcoma and carcinoma, and arteritis, leprosy, diabetes. So these are all the causes for mononeuritis multiplex, and here in this video we are going to learn an easiest mnemonical way to remember those causes. So here look at the mnemonical term, it's called. By using the mnemonical terms called, we can easily remember the causes of mononeuritis multiplex. So here S for sarcoid, C for carcinoma, A for arteritis, L for leprosy, and D for diabetes. So by using the mnemonical terms called, we can easily remember the
Wow.